Your Zillow estimate is not a pricing strategy. Here's what actually works. Thinking of selling your home in Chicagoland? Here are the top mistakes I see sellers make and how to avoid them so you can sell faster and for more money. Mistake number one, overpricing from the start. It's tempting to aim high, but overpriced homes sit longer and often sell for less. Price it right, based on real data, not emotion. Mistake number two, skipping repairs or staging. Small issues like chip paint or bad lighting can turn buyers off. First impressions matter, and they affect your bottom line. Mistake number three, using weak marketing. Your home deserves more than cell phone photos. Professional photography and online exposure bring in serious buyers and better offers. Mistake number four, not being flexible with showings. The more accessible your home is, the faster it sells. Limited showings limits opportunities. Mistake number five, not hiring the right agent. A great agent just doesn't list your home. They guide pricing, marketing, negotiations, and everything in between. Selling in Chicagoland can be profitable if you do it the right way. Question for you. What's your biggest worry about selling your home? Drop it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And let's sell smart in 2025.